Top 5 Best Remote Control Planes on the Market. Number 1. TopRace RC Plane. If you're looking for an affordable RC plane for beginners, we recommend the TopRace RC Plane. We were first attracted to this plane because it has 3 different flying difficulty levels: easy, medium, and amp, hard, which gives the user a chance to hone their skills. Anyone who has attempted to fly a more expensive RC plane will know that there's a steep learning curve. It also comes ready to fly, so there's no fiddly assembly required before flying. It comes with a 2.4 GHz remote control that can be used at a maximum distance of 320 feet. The plane is powered by an 8mm coreless motor and flies for around 15 minutes on a 90-minute charge. This isn't the most durable or advanced RC plane on this list, but it's a great entry point for beginners. If you want to take your kids out flying, this is the plane for you. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC 761-2 RTF Remote Control Plane. Pilots often say that gliding is the purest form of flight. If you want to experience the closest thing to bird flight, you need to go up in a glider. The VOLANTEXRC 761-2 RTF is the next best thing. This awesome RC plane is based on the design of a glider, allowing it to soar through the air with little or no assistance. Of course, all RC planes need assistance, which is why it has an overgrade motor with plenty of power for fast, controlled flight. The X-Pilot stabilization system also helps you keep control when you're flying upside at full speed. The other great thing about the VOLANTEXRC 761-2 RTF is the impressive battery that delivers 30 minutes of flight time. Add that to the 656-foot range and you can get some serious flying in. This is, without a doubt, one of the best RC planes on the market. Number 3. E-flite RC Airplane UMX Turbo Timber. The E-flite comes fully assembled. Therefore, if you have a transmitter and fully charged battery ready, you can fly this RC airplane straight out of the box. What makes this an especially good choice for teens is that it has an optional safe system. This allows teens new to the hobby to turn the system on and work up through the beginner, intermediate, and advanced modes. The landing gear is already in place and designed for multiple takeoffs and landings. In addition, the STOL, short takeoff, and landing system means you can fly with minimum runway space. For maximum realism, the E-flite comes with LED navigation, landing, and simulated strobe lights which are powered from the flight battery. Pros: oversized flaps for shorter landings and takeoffs. Capable of aerobatics. Factory installed LED lights. Cons: the recommended transmitter is more than the cost of the plane. Number 4. iHobby Remote Control Plane. The iHobby Remote Control Plane takes the iconic shape of the Airbus A380, the largest passenger airplane in the world. This scaled-down version might not be as impressive to look at, but it's still a lot of fun to fly. This RC plane is designed for beginners. It's made from EPP styrofoam, making it lightweight and pretty resistant to crash landings. Don't expect it to handle like the smaller and more powerful RC planes on this list though, it can't compete. It's relatively stable in mid-air, thanks to the 3-axis gyroscope, but it's not going to be performing any aerial acrobatics anytime soon. The 2-channel remote control makes it relatively easy to fly, even before you've mastered the controls. This RC plane is a great introduction for those that don't want to spend $100 plus straight away. Number 5. CredevZone F4U RC Airplane. This reasonably priced remote control plane is a great choice for beginners, and a great choice overall. There are 2 launch modes, an easy throw toss or takeoff from the ground using the controller, and 3-level flight control. It's also made of a durable plastic to withstand crashes, has a wingspan of nearly 16 inches, a good size for newbies to handle, and an incredibly impressive radio control range of 656 feet. The plane comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, each giving roughly 15 minutes of flight time, plus an extra set of propellers. Pros: 3-level flight control. Impressive range and solid flight time. Extra propellers included. Cons. None.